around with that Nina, ho. Portable heater, ho. Can I meet you, ho?
Pull fly pistol, run around with that
Run
Nina.
around with that Nina, ho.
Or camping, Wally in the back with a portable heater.
Portable heater, ho.
The cat for the talking says, how can I meet ya?
Can I meet you, ho?
Drone fly high in the sky and Job can't see ya.
I can see you, ho.
Get killed with an exploding van, I'm backing out.
Come back now.
Care package with a swarm in it, I'm backing out.
Come back now.
Pull fly pistol, run around with that Nina.
With that Nina, ho.
Or camping, Wally in the back with a portable heater. I got my team on my back. This lag comp is whack. Whoever says job commentary is whack, talking smack. They know that I'm a cool dude and I'm only talking facts. They say I'm bitching about the game, get blocked, don't come back. Job. Ride around with an Aussie car and a shock charge. Right to my face with a cat 40, gave me lockjaw. Camp in the room with a guardian and a claymore. Job left like he's southpaw. I'm backing out, I'm out, y'all. Pull fly pistol, run around with that Nina. Or camping, Wally in the back with a portable heater. The cat for the talking says, how can I meet ya? Drone fly high in the sky and Job can't see ya. Get killed with an exploding van, I'm backing out. Care package with a swarm in it, I'm backing out. Pull fly pistol, run around with that Nina. Or camping, Wally in the back with a portable heater.
November 13th, pumped up and I'm juiced. Hit my pre-order receipt, rushing home with Black Ops 2. Threw it on in, started the match, running around on the attack, shooting them first. For the kill cam showed I wasn't shooting them back. I can't believe this shit. To make matters worse, I jumped in the game with a team full of pussy like machine guns, target found to be main. This is crazy. And finally on a decent kill streak, one away from dogs, and then a shock charge killed me. I'm backing out.
What is good, fellow YouTubers? What is good? This is your boy Make a Move 101, man, and I'm doing my first vid. Yeah, I know, my first vid, you know, but hey, I gotta start somewhere. And since I was maybe given an opportunity, and I say maybe because, well, I'm gonna put it to you like this. I jumped on today, and I went, you know, I always check out the people who I subscribe to vids, you know, before I do anything else. And it's a guy that I'm subscribed to. His name is Jive Turkey 600. If you haven't heard him, I suggest you guys go check him out, man. You know, beast gameplays and all that. Definitely hit him up, man. You know what I'm saying? Show some love. But like I was saying, I jumped on. He had a video posted, and the vid was basically a music video. It was a parody of Cashing Out, and that's the song that you just heard. His verse is the first verse, and that's all that it was. But he had a download link where you can go and download the song, and you can add your verse to it and then post it to YouTube. And if you post it to YouTube and he end up liking it or whatever, you end up winning the contest that he is throwing, he'll give you a chance to get a little bit of exposure, or, you know, a shout out, you know, or something. So hey, I was looking like, hey man, that sounds like a good idea right there. You know, I was about to start doing this anyway. You know, in a week or two, I had everything, I purchased everything. I'm like, shit, let me just go ahead, you know, jump on a bandwagon, and you know what I'm saying, hopefully everything works out for me, man. So you know, I downloaded it and I added me a verse, man, and here I am now talking to you guys, saying, hey, what up, what up? You know, that's his saying and shit, but. You know, for real, man. Here I am now, man. You know, it's just real shit. I'm hoping that he like it, man, and I can get a little bit of exposure, because to me it seems like it's kind of hard for, you know, YouTubers just starting out, man. I look at a lot of guys, man, they be sending me little messages and everything, and I go check it out, and it seems like, you know, you look at it like, damn, man, it look like his videos are just past, you know, looked over. Just past, like, you know, it wasn't a vid, and I can understand with so many people on here doing the same thing. So I can understand that. So, hey, like I said, I'm taking my chance, man. You know, it's a blessing to even be able to be given a chance by somebody, you know, that's known on here. So, you know, I looked at my options and I weighed them, and me getting some exposure on a maybe outweighs, you know, me just starting it off myself and not getting anything. You know, I definitely take the maybe over just, you know, if people see your videos, if they cross them, you know, maybe they might, you know, want to see what's going on with you. So yeah, I jumped at the chance. But a little bit about me, man. I'm a laid back dude, man, and everything. You know, I'm here to give you guys gameplays, man. You know, commentaries. You know, I try to be funny. You know, I'm open for suggestions. And since I'm starting, you know, what better way to start it by some, you know, not only getting exposure, but by having the people that I do, you know, that comes from him, or you know, that's if I win, or anybody that just stumbles across this video. What better way to start out, you know, with me being open for suggestions? So that's just a thought. But right now we're at the end of the video, and I'm out.